Ian Sparks. Rewind.
Bugs, I want Mom and Dad to be happy forever and ever.
And Emmanuel Verona. Nerica Salim. Malyari.
And Daddy's choice is... Emmanuel Verona and Nerica Salim of Malyari.
Hindi po ako nanginginig talaga, hindi ko pa rin po mawala yung kaba. Ganun po talaga pag mga first timer po talaga siguro. To Eman and of course Nerica, maraming salamat sa dedikasyon dito sa pelikula. Alam namin kung gaano kahirap yung ginawa ito. Maraming salamat and congratulations. And muli, maraming salamat po sa
So far, paano mo masasabi na magaling na supporting actor or actress ang ka-eksena mo?
Well,
What do you think?
well, I'm still learning up to this day with my co-actors, of course, my director. And I feel like a supporting actor plays such an important role. Dahil, of course, kailangan mo supportahan ng lead. But you also support the lead without dimming your own light. So, yun ang kaimportansya ng isang supporting actor talaga.
Yeah, and like she said, parang for me, it's all about the collaborative spirit.
Yes.
When you're able to bounce off of each other to lift the scene and not yourselves.
Correct.
Tama. Ang ganda ng mga sagot nyo. And I think our next presenters would also agree, syempre with their experience in lead and supporting roles. Presenting the Eddie's Choice for Best Supporting Actor and Best Supporting Actress, please welcome Elijah Canlas and Miss Nikki Valdez.
Good evening, everybody. I totally agree with everything that our hosts said about what it takes to be a great supporting actor. Right, Elijah?
Yes.
Yes, and speaking of great actors, I have one here with me tonight who won Best Actor, rather, at the Eddies last year. Please give Elijah Canlas a round of applause. Elijah, would you like to say a few words?
First of all, gusto ko mag-sorry sa Eddies na hindi po ako nakapunta last year dahil nga may trabaho. But thank you so much for recognizing my work in Blue Room.
Mamatay tao!
Gladys Reyes. Apag.
Bella, Paris siya ko yung asawa ko. Bisa ako magsampang kaso.
And Ruby Ruiz. Lagit-git.
Baka maunahan ka ng mga laman lupa. Doreng, aga-aga puro yung naririnig ko sa bibig mo. Kulang sa sasukan.
And the Eddie's choice is... Gladys Reyes.
inyong lahat. First nomination ko po, ito sa Eddies. And salamat po. At pumasa po sa panlasa ng Speed, members of the press, ang aking pong pagganap sa pelikulang Apag. Maraming salamat po. Siyempre po, kay Direk Brillante Mendoza, it's my first time working with him sa pelikulang ito. Center Stage Productions, Ate Krisma, lahat po ng kasama namin sa production. Of course, my family, siyempre po ang aking pong ever faithful and supportive husband, Christopher, Mr. Someru. Of course, ang aking pong anak na narito ngayon, Christoph, my son, who escorted me tonight. Thank you, anak. And of course, Akisha, Grant, Gavin. Pasensya na po, medyo marami akong anak. And of course, my mom, si Mom Z, Mama Zenny, of course, Janice, my sister-in-law, Sis Claire, dahil napaka-supportive po nila sa amin, sa aming pamilya. Mr. Norman Peña Florida, the fashion storyteller for our Modern Filipiniana tonight. And Mama Ray de la Cruz, my ever-trusted friend and who always brings out the best in me. Of course, my manager for almost 3 decades, Nanay Lolit. Nay Lolit, para po sa atin to, Nay. Kuya Gordy. And lahat po ng aming mga kaibigan po sa press na walang sawa na talaga naman pong sumusuporta sa lahat po na aming mga proyekto. Noon at ngayon, hindi ko po sila nakakalimutan. Ang mga mukha nila, kaya ko silang i-roll call. Kasi nga po, iba po yung talagang pakikisama, no? At yung pagkakaibigan na nabuo. Maraming salamat, higit po sa lahat sa ating Panginoong Diyos. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po, Ed.